Yeah, children. Today we'll discuss about the petroleum. Okay. What is petro? Petro means rocks. Oleum, oil. The oil which you get in between the rocks is called petroleum. Petroleum means it is the children. Actually, petroleum means not petrol. No only petroleum means not petrol. Petroleum is mixture of so many oils in which petrol is one of the component. Petroleum means it's a dark color. It's a dark color, viscous fluid which is strong smelling deep below the earth. You will get children. We will call petroleum as crude oil. It is called as crude oil or mineral oil. Please don't get mistaken, children. Petroleum is not petrol. Petroleum on fractional distillation, you get petrol, diesel, kerosene, all those things. Okay, it's a crude oil, mineral oil, children. Petroleum. Petro means rocks, oleum means oil, which you get in between the rocks, deep under the earth crust. Okay, children. I hope you understood this point. Okay, you know this also. Children, it is a natural resource. You know, it is a natural resource. I told you already, it is not man-made. It is a natural resource. What happens? You will get this from oil wells. Oil wells are present in many countries, especially it is present in many of the Arab countries, you know very well. It is also not only, don't think that in Dubai and compulsory Syria, there we should go. Here in our country we have, but there oil wells are more in number, children. And in the modern world, children, petroleum is the lifeline of civilization. Why? Because everything, every point, everywhere we use petroleum for our transfer. The economy of, in fact, nation depends upon the great extent on petroleum wealth, children. Whoever have great petroleum reserves, they are economies are very good because the whole world it can supply, and in exchange it can get foreign exchange, and we can do so many wonders, children. You know Dubai don't have anything, but just because of little petroleum, not nearby Arab countries, so all of them are very rich. Why? Because of this petroleum only, children. Now, how does formation of petroleum? How does the formation of petroleum takes place? Yesterday, children, do you remember, children? I told coal takes place in four stages: wood, peat, lignite, bituminous, anthracite, like that. Petroleum also, children. Millions of years ago, when all animals are died and they when got buried deep in the earth crust because of the pressure, because of the temperature. Okay, what happens? Animals also will have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. They lose hydrogen and oxygen. Only carbon is left over. That over a period of millions of years, what happens? These remains in the absence of air gets converted into petroleum under the combined effect of high temperature, pressure, and bacterial action and temperature. Some bacterial decomposition also, because bacteria and fungus are the best decomposers which are present in our ecosystem, children. The petroleum which we got here is passed through porous rocks until it is got trapped between the rocks, children. Okay, until it is got. So the petroleum slowly gets trapped in between the rocks. Petroleum is trapped in between the rocks which is got formed, and slowly some impervious rocks, non-porous rocks, natural gas also occurs above the petroleum under the earth only. So where you get petroleum, there only you get natural gas also, children, because some amount will change into petrol, some amount will change into gas, some amount will change into petrol, some amount will change into gas, and there above petroleum only gas also you will get. That is called natural gas, children. It is all occurring because of the decomposition of animals which got buried, and because it is getting from dead animals and plants. Even petroleum is called fossil fuel like a coal. Okay, children. Now, mining of petroleum. How do they mine? Coal mines will simple, children. Dig the earth, you will get coal. But mining of the petroleum, because it is a liquid and also very dangerous, children, it catches fire. So you should be very, very careful, children. Petroleum is obtained by drilling the holes, oil wells into the earth crust. They will drill the holes, children. That's all. Okay, they will drill the holes in the earth crust. Okay, drill holes into the earth crust. Where presence of oil they predict by survey. The oil wells are drilled using drilling rigs. They will drill long holes, children, using drilling rigs. Drilling rigs. These holes are called oil wells, children. These holes are called oil wells. They are using drilling rigs. They will keep on drilling, children. This drilling rig is what is a drilling rig? Sir, you will get asked. What is drilling rig? It is a large structure with equipment of drilling an oil well. Okay, so it keeps on drilling, it keeps on drilling, it keeps on drilling, children. The drilling rig is a large structure, children. Okay, it will keep on drilling oil well. When well is drilled through the rocks, natural gas will come out first. I told you, no children, wherever petroleum is there, there natural gas also will be present. When you are drilling, first natural gas will come, children. When you are drilling, first natural gas will come. That also we can collect and we can use it. You should not waste gas chordo once. You should not use like that. Okay, natural gas comes out first with great pressure because gas comes out with high pressure, no. And after some time, slowly then oil starts coming, children. Gas is collected separately, oil is collected separately. After the pressure has subsided, the crude oil is pumped out of the oil well. Okay, so initially they come with high pressure, children. After slowly they will be coming, and it will be crude oil pumped regularly, slowly in the oil well, children. The first oil well where it was drilled was in Pennsylvania. First oil well in the world in Pennsylvania in 1859, and in India, children, in Assam in 1867. First oil well was discovered in Makum in Assam. Makum. Okay, children. So, children, they will drill a long, very long holes, children, using drilling rigs. When drilling rigs are entrapped in this hole, so first natural gas comes out with high pressure. Then petroleum also comes under high pressure. Once pressure has been subsided, the crude oil is pumped out slowly in the oil. Then the crude oil is pumped out slowly. Okay, children. In India, only we'll study in India petroleum production, children. Yes, we have. Even in Vizag, we have oil wells, children, Reliance oil industry. Okay, some of the places in our country where we get petroleum, I am telling children, are Gujarat, you will get, children. So many you have in Gujarat, Ankaleshwar and Kalol are there. And even Assam, I told Assam, Rudrasagar and Lakwa. And also, children, we have in Kaveri River and Krishna River, near Kaveri and Krishna River deltas belt in Godavari. Exploration for more oil is going on, children, in under the supervision of only ONGC. In our country, ONGC will take care of exploration of oil. Can anyone say what is ONGC, children? Can anyone say what is ONGC?
Oil and Natural Gas Corporation.
Very good. Oil and natural gas. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, India, children. In India, only ONGC will take care of all those things, children. I will go and do that, means you don't have any right, children. Oil wells, okay? Now, because the economy of the country depends upon petroleum, children. Okay? Now, next one, children. Refining of petroleum. This is very important. Okay, till here all those things are very easy, children. But refining of the petroleum is one of the most important topic. How do you refine petroleum? Please see here, children. Okay, so how do they refine petroleum? Refining of petroleum is done by fractional distillation. Okay, can anyone tell me how coal was refined, children? How coal was refined?
Destructive distillation.
What is destructive distillation? Heating anything in?
Heating anything in the absence of air.
Yeah, heating anything in absence of air is destructive distillation. But even for oil, for petroleum, we'll go for fractional distillation. Fractional distillation means what? Means so many fractions will be there, different temperatures will be there. Whosoever boiling point is matching, they will come out. What you're doing, we are not even understanding. I will show you, children. See, children, petroleum is a mixture of several hydrocarbons. It's a mixture of several oils. Is a mixture of several oils, several hydrocarbons. Okay, each oil or each organic compound has different boiling point. All of them don't have same boiling point, children. Each one has different boiling point. Okay, so difference in boiling points are used to separate all these oils. Please, children, try to understand. Okay, because they have different boiling points, this difference in their boiling points is used to separate them. Difference in the boiling points is used to separate different components of petroleum. This is called fractional distillation. Okay, each component of this petroleum, okay, with a separate boiling point is called fraction. So now each component is called a fraction. Each component of petroleum, which have different, petrol is one fraction, diesel is one fraction, kerosene is one fraction. Okay, like that, children. Each component of petroleum is called fraction. Each component of petroleum is called fraction. Please try to understand, children. The process of separating petroleum into usable and useful fractions by fractional distillation is refining. Refining means nothing, children. We are dividing, children. We are separating the oils. That's all. We are separating all the components of the oil. We are separating all the components of petroleum. That is called refining. What is refining? Means separating the components of petroleum, separating the fractions of petroleum is called refining. What is refining? Refining means what, children? Separating the fractions of petroleum. Fraction is what? Each component of petroleum. Okay, children. Now I write here and I will show children. Notes I will send it. Even in the video description, notes will be there. Please, children, go through. It will be there in Sunday's exam, children. Now we'll draw the figure for you, children. See, children, fractional discussion column will be there like some books like this. Please try to understand. Here one fraction, here one fraction, here one fraction, here one fraction. Okay, like this it will be. Here one fraction. Please try to understand, children. For you, easy to understand. And here, 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 like this it will be present. Okay. Now what will children? So here crude oil is heated in a furnace first to 400 degrees centigrade, children. First what happens? Crude oil is heated to 400 degrees centigrade. First. 1 second, children. Yeah, crude oil is first heated to 400 degrees centigrade, children. Crude oil first heated to 400 degrees centigrade. Okay, children. Now the temperature at which it vaporizes. After this, it will vaporize. That's why you should not be beyond this. The vapors of crude oil enter entire fractionating tower, children, where they are cooled, children. Here, okay. First, what we'll do is here we will send the vapors. Okay, children. The oils with maximum number of carbon atoms have higher boiling point, children. So whichever has high boiling points, here, children, like this, it will be going up, children. As it is going up, see here, whichever has more boiling point, this fraction, see, children, suppose it is there like this. Now, please see here, this is maintained at 350 to 400 degrees centigrade. Imagine. Okay, this is maintained at 250 to 350 degrees centigrade. Okay, and this is maintained at 170 to 250 degrees centigrade. This is maintained at 70 to 170 degrees centigrade. This is maintained at 40 to 70 degrees centigrade. And below 40 will come here. Now they will send the oil here, children. So when oil is going up, children, when oil is going up, whosoever boiling point is 350 to 400 first come out. Whosoever is 350 to 400, they will come out as fuel. Okay, so see, children, between 350 to 400. Okay, children, what happens? The hydrocarbon, they are collected from the base of the fraction. The vapors mixture rises up, children, and see here, at exactly when vapors are going up, children, see, children, at 350 to 400 degrees centigrade, first what happens? Fuel oil will come, children, fuel oil. Because boiling point of fuel oil is between 350 to 400. At 250 to 350, children, try to understand, diesel will come, children. Diesel will come. From here, diesel will come. They will correct it, children. Okay, and 170 to 250, kerosene will come, children, because kerosene boiling point is here. It will boil and it will come out. When it is coming up still, and at 70 to 170, naphtha will come, children. At 70 to 170, naphtha will come out, children. Okay, now next, here at 40 to 170, children, you will get petrol. Petrol comes here, children, and after this, all petroleum gases will come, methane and propane, all those things, children. Okay, so the vapor mixture keep rising up, and different oils will be condensing at different fractions. And so whichever are condensing, they will be coming out. Whichever are condensing, they will come out. Whichever are condensing, they will come out. Whichever are condensing, they will come out. Who is coming out here? Fuel oil. Here diesel. Here kerosene. Here naphtha, and here petrol and petroleum gases. And down, if anything is left over, children, all the residue will come out and fall like this only. This residue consists of lubricating oil, paraffin wax, okay, asphalt. Here, any residue is left over means that consists of lubricating oil, children, lubricating oil, paraffin wax which we use in our candles, and also asphalt. All this will be coming out from the down as a residue, children, as a residue. This is how. So when vapors are rising at 350 to 400, whosoever boiling point, they all will boil and they will come out. 250, 350, whoever is there, they will come out. 170 to 250, whoever boiling point is coming, they will boil and they will come out. Like this, they will be coming out, children. Because since in each fraction, different oils are coming, this is called fractional distillating column, children. Try to understand. Okay. I hope you are able to understand, children. So, what are the uses of different things? You know very well, children. Okay, and paraffin wax also, you know, lubricating oils also, you know, diesel, everything, you know, lubricating oils means in the coils, cars, bikes, cycles, they put oil, children, that is lubricating. Okay, children, do we have any refineries in our country? Yes, children, so many refineries we have, children. Okay, we have in Mumbai, Chennai, Madura, Barunai, Digboy, Kochi, Koili, Visakhapatnam, and the oldest oil refinery in India we have Digboy in Assam, children. In Assam, it is the oldest refinery is present. Okay, children, anyone didn't understand this, you let me know, children. Refining of petroleum is only very important, children. Anyone didn't understand this, you can ask me, children. Anyone didn't understand, you can ask me. What are uses of petroleum? What are uses of petroleum? Children, petroleum products are used as fuels. Everything is used as fuel. What is a fuel? Any substance which liberates energy on burning. I told any substance which liberates energy on burning. And lubricating oils, grease, Vaseline are used as lubricants. Lubricating oil is used as lubricants. Okay. Paraffin wax is used for waterproofing, candles, polish our shoes, wax paper. Okay, wax is used in so many things. And some of the byproducts of petroleum, children, is used in making medicines, ointments, face creams, cosmetics, Vaseline, you know it, children, Vaseline. Bitumen, which you get in lubricating oil, children, is used for metalling roads. Bitumen is used for metalling roads. Bitumen is used for metalling the roads, children, laying the roads. Okay, children, when we are studying the petroleum, at that time only we should study LPG. Can anyone tell me what is the full form of LPG, children?
Liquefied petroleum gas.
Liquefied petroleum gas. Very good. Where is that coming? I told you, no, children, it is coming here. So, some liquefied petroleum gas, what it consists of means, children, LPG. LPG in our houses, it will come, no, children. Mainly it consists of butane and isobutane. We get, no, children, in our houses. Butane formula is C4H10. Isobutane is the isomer of butane. Children, in the other class, I will tell. Okay, so liquefied petroleum gas is the mainly consists of butane and isobutane. It is common fuel in all our in our houses. We get cylinders LPG. Why we use LPG? Because it burns easily and no residue and very less smoke, very less smoke and very less pollution, and mainly smokeless flame, we can say, children. So very less smoke you will get and do not cause any pollution. No pollution will be there, children. And also the high calorific value it have, children. High calorific value. These are the uses of LPG. Mainly, children, if you understand this, removing all our small concept, you can easily understand. Mainly, fractional distillation, you should understand. Anyone have any doubt in fractional distillation, children? Yes, children, anyone have any doubts in fractional distillation? No means I will tell.
No, sir.
Petrochemicals, children.
No,
Petrochemicals
sir.
also I'll complete up. Natural gas will do in the next class, children. Petrochemicals. What are petrochemicals? Anything petrochemicals, children. Okay. One of the petroleum and natural gas, one of the useful substance which we get from petroleum and natural gas are called petrochemicals. Okay, they are byproducts of petroleum and natural gas. Petroleum and natural gas is petrochemicals. Okay, children, they are used a large variety of substances. They are used for making like what they are used in making means synthetic fibers, rubber, okay, plastic, okay, perfumes in our perfumes, okay, fertilizers, explosives, varnishes, and dyes, drugs, and some important chemicals are okay, children. Some important chemicals here where earlier prepared from coal also. Yesterday I told children. Do you remember coal tar? Like this only I told. Same way petrochemicals is the petrochemical, but what happens, children? All the coal tar products which I told yesterday are substituted by petrochemicals now. Previously they used to prepare from coal. Now they are preparing from petrochemicals, children. Thus, petroleum is not only a source of petrol. Petroleum is using petrol. No, children. It consists of, I told you, this many oils, different oils in the form of petrochemicals and large number of use. That's why, children, it is called as black gold. Petroleum is called as black gold. Petroleum is called as black gold. Petroleum is called as black petroleum. Okay, actually. Why means because, children, more than gold, it will be useful, children. Economy of the country depends upon petroleum. Whosoever having more oil wells or more supply of export of petroleum, they are becoming economically very rich all over the world, children. Okay, I hope you are understood, especially this diagram from the textbook. You practice 3 times and share with me as homework, children. This is very important. Factual distillation, please check from your textbook and share with me 3 times, children. Please. Okay, thank you.